Okay, children. So we will discuss force and laws of force. Okay, Newton's laws of force and so children, Newton laws of force. We have studied children in this laws of motion. We have studied Newton first law. We studied children Newton second law. We studied Newton third law. We studied Newton first law gives the concept of
Inertia.
inertia. Inertia
Inertia,
is the measure of mass. Inertia is the measure of mass. Newton
mass.
second law gives the concept of momentum. Newton second law gives the concept of momentum.
Momentum.
Newton third law gives the concept of law of
Conservation of momentum.
Law of
conservation of
conservation.
momentum. Law of conservation of momentum. Okay, children. And what is meant by momentum? Momentum is product of
Mm.
mass and
Mass and
Mass and
velocity.
velocity.
momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. And law of conservation of momentum. Momentum before collision. When two bodies
Is
are
equal to momentum after collision.
momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. And we also studied how do you derive children. We from Newton's second law we know that rate of change of momentum is equal to force. Rate of change of momentum is equal to force. Rate of change of momentum is equal to force. We have studied children. Okay, and if you take mass common children, just 1 second. Okay, if you take the mass common in this, we'll get V minus U by T. This is expect acceleration. See here, no talking. So children, some questions we'll discuss on this children. So first question, see here children. Some questions will be here. Yeah, children, first question. First question. Okay, so Snigdha, are you there? Snigdha,
Yes, sir.
what force? I'll ask continuously three questions children. What force will be needed to produce an acceleration of 4 meter per second square on a ball of mass 6 kg? What is the force needed? Can you tell Nana? From
Sir,
Newton's second law,
equal to mass into acceleration, which is
from
six
Newton's second
from Newton's second law,
law. Okay,
which is equals to 4 into 6.
okay.
That is 24 Newton.
24 Newton is needed. So if you want to give this body this much acceleration, you have to push that body with this much force. Second question, Sita, what is the force required to produce an acceleration of 5 meter per second square on a body of mass 2 kg? From Newton's second law, we know.
F is equals to ma.
Okay, so F is equal
F
to,
is equals to 5 into 2. That is 10 newtons.
if you give 10 newtons force to this body, it will move at this much acceleration. If it won't give to move that much acceleration, you have to give. Okay, next one. See here, see that. When a missile is fired from a tank, it gets a momentum of, it gets a momentum of 2000 kg meter per second. Okay, and if the velocity of the missile is 50 meters per second, what is the mass of the missile?
Sir, momentum is equals to velocity into mass,
Okay.
and 2000 is equals to 50 into velocity. That is,
Okay.
mass is equals to 2000 by 50,
Okay.
which is 40 kg.
40 kg is the mass of the missile. 40 kg is the mass of the missile. Tell one more one. So a girl of mass 50 kg, there is a girl whose mass is 50 kg. She jumps out of a moving boat. Mass of the boat is 300 kg. She is jumping out of this moving boat on a bank with a horizontal velocity. This girl is jumping with a velocity of 3 meters per second. With what velocity will the boat begin to move backward? See, if you are jumping from a boat, this jump, when you are jumping here, this boat will go a little bit back. So which formula you want to use here? Which
Sir,
formula you will use?
one u1 is equals to into u2.
Yeah, tell. See, mass of
M1
girl, initial velocity of girl, mass of boat, initial velocity of the boat. Now, again, mass of girl, final velocity of girl.
girl, mass of the boat by final velocity of the boat.
Okay, so initially, what is the mass of the girl?
Sir, 50 kgs.
50 kg. She is jumping with how much speed? 3.
3 meters.
What is the mass of the boat?
300 kg.
Initially, boat is at rest. Okay. Now, what is the mass of the girl? 50.
50.
When she jumps and comes out, will she stop or she will keep running like that? First, she will stop, no?
So she'll stop, sir. So 0.
0. And what is the mass of the boat?
300 kg.
300. What we want? Velocity of the
So
boat.
the velocity of the boat.
And velocity of the boat. Okay. So now 50 into 3 is
150
150.
plus
Hmm.
0 is equals to 300.
Okay.
Yes, so 150 by 300 is equals to velocity. So 1 by 2, that is 0. That is 0.5.
So 0.5 meters per second is the velocity of the boat
Velocity of the boat.
in which it moves back. It is moving back with that much speed. Who is moving back, Nana? Boat.
Boat, sir.
Okay, next. Tanmay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tanmay, can you help me find the ratio of momentum of two bodies A and B? See, two bodies A is there, B is there, whose masses are in the ratio of m to m, and both have same velocity v. What is the ratio of momentum of A and B? What is the ratio of momentum of A and B?
Yes, sir. M1 by
MA VA
by MB VB.
Okay, so MA is how much? M.
M
Velocity is same in both the cases. What is the mass of MB?
2M.
2m. So what is the answer?
1 by 2. 1 is to 2.
1 is to 2 is the ratio. 1 is to 2 is the ratio of their momentum. 1 is to 2 is the ratio of their momentum. Next question. Lahari, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What will be the acceleration of body of mass 5 kg, which is having a force of 200 Newton? From Newton second law, what we know F is equal to?
M
Tell loudly. MA.
Equal.
200 is equal to?
5 into A.
Okay. A is equal to 200 by 5?
40 meters per second square.
40 meter per second square. Like this, you have to do, children. Okay. I hope you people are copying, children. I'm erasing this. Please copy, children. All the numericals. Later, you can practice them nicely. Please practice the numericals, children. Next question. Next question. Okay. Next question. Next, Srihita is there? Srihita?
Yes, sir.
A man throws a ball weighing 500 grams. Mass of the ball is 500 grams. Mass of the ball is 500 grams. Vertically upward with a speed of 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. Find the initial momentum. Find the momentum at highest point, and that's all. Initial momentum, final momentum. Initial momentum is mass into initial velocity.
Mass into initial. 500 into 500 by 1000
Has to
is
be
equal
by
to.
1000.
Okay.
So 5
Is it a
kg
cancel?
meter per
5
second.
kg meter per.
And at highest point, children, what happens? Anyone? At highest point,
V is equal to 0.
final velocity is 0. So momentum also 0. At highest point, final velocity is 0. So momentum also 0. At highest point, final velocity is 0. So momentum also 0. Now the connection.
Yes.
Calculate the force required to impart car a velocity of. You want to give car a velocity of 30 meters per second in 10 seconds, starting from rest. Starting from rest, whose mass of the car is 1500 kgs. Find the force needed to move this car. Find the force needed to move this car from this
Yes.
speed to this speed in 10 seconds.
Force is equal to M into V minus U by T.
A is V minus U by
V
T.
minus U by T.
A is V minus U by T. What is the definition of acceleration? Rate of
Rate
change
of
of
change of
velocity. 1500 into
into
30 minus.
30 minus 0 by 10.
Okay. So
1500
1500 into.
into 3, 4500.
Okay, answer is 4500 Newton. 4500 Newton. So next question. Yashasvi is there? children, next question. Vivek,
Yes, sir.
two bodies of mass 4 kg and 5 kg. One body is 4 kg, another body is 5 kg are acted upon by same force. If the acceleration of the lighter body is 3 meters per second square and acceleration on the heavier body, then find the acceleration on the heavier body. If the force applied on both the bodies, one second, two bodies 4 kg, 5 kg are acted upon. If both of them are acted upon by same force. If both of them are acted upon by same force.
Sir, so 4 into 3 is equal to 5 into A.
In first case, 4 into 3 is
2,
equal
3 is
to
equal to 5 into
12
12
Newton.
Newton, sir.
Same force is applied here also.
Yes, sir. 12 is equal to 5 into A.
12 is equal to 5 into A.
5 into A. A is equal to 12 by 5, sir. A is equal to 2.4 meter per second.
A is equal to 2.4 meter per second square. Same force is applied here also, children. When same force is applied here, it is getting an acceleration of 2.4 meter per second square. Now we make same question. If both the masses are tied together, if both the masses
Yes,
are
sir.
tied together, if both the masses are tied together, what will be the acceleration produced if the force is, if same force is applied? If same force is applied, but
Yes, sir.
masses are tied together, what is the
Yes, sir.
acceleration?
Yes, sir. If 12 is equal to 5, 12 is equal to 5, 4 plus 5 into A, sir. 12 is equal to 9A, sir. 9 into A, sir. A is equal to 12 by 9, sir.
Okay,
A is equal to 4 by 3 is equal to 1.33
meter per second square.
meter per second square.
Next question, sir. Okay. Next question. Vikram is there? Not there. Vikram. Shanmukh, calculate the ratio of momentum when the velocity of an object is doubled. Shanmukh,
Yes, sir.
see,
Yes, sir.
what is the ratio of momentum if velocity is doubled? What is the ratio of momentum if velocity is doubled? See, mass is m1, m2, v is v. Second second velocity is 2v. V velocity is doubled. What is the ratio of momentum?
Moment PM is equal to M1 V1 by M2 V2.
M2 v2.
Is it-
Masses they did not talk, so good.
Mass is cancel.
So v by
V by 2V. V is equals to 1 by 2 is
1
equals
is
to
to
1 is to 2.
in the same question, if mass is half length, velocity did not talk, mass is half length. M1 is m, m2 is m by 2, velocities are same. He is not talking about velocities, forget about the velocity. Then p1 by p2 is equal to
V1 V2 is equals to M1 V1 by M2 V2.
okay.
M
First
V2
mass is
V1
m,
V2
second mass is
M by 2.
this gone.
MM
So,
cancel is equals to 2 by 1 is equals to 2 is to 1.
2 is to 1. Now, third question, both mass and velocity are increased by 3 times. Now, both mass and velocity are increased by 3 times. Next, what is happening? Mass is m, 3m, velocity is v, 3v. Both mass and velocity are increased by 3 times. What is the ratio of their momentum?
P1 by P2 is equals to M1 V1 by M2 V2 is equals to 3. So M into V by 3M into 3V. V cancel, MM cancel. 1 by 3, which is
1 by 9, 1 is to 9.
1 by 9, 1 is
1 by 9, 1 is to 9. Understood 1 by 9?
2. Yes.
Yeah, 1 by 9. Because children, when they are not talking about velocity, cancel velocity. When they're not talking about the mass, cancel mass. When they're talking about both, take both of them, children. But finally, they will be getting cancelled and you'll get the ratio. Next question. Next question. See here. Srini, how much momentum will a dumbbell of mass 10 kg? Srini, are you there? A mass dumbbell of 10 kg transferred to a floor if it falls from a height of 0.8 meter, take acceleration due to gravity is 10. Srini, are you there? Okay, children. Next, Saisha, are you there? Children, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nandika, you tell. See, a ball of mass 10 kg is falling from this height.
Yes, sir.
This height. What is the momentum on hitting the ground? Means we have to find velocity by hitting the ground. What is the velocity by hitting the ground?
Root
Formula
2
number?
GH.
V is velocity by hitting the ground is V is equal to
Root of
root 2
2
GH.
GH.
Velocity by hitting the ground, children, V is equal to root 2 GH. Velocity, tell me how to do.
V is equal to root of 2 into 10 into 0.8.
Okay.
Root of 2 into 8, 15 root 4, sir.
4 meter per second. Now, what is the momentum? Momentum is called mass into
Mass into velocity.
10 into
10
4.
into 4, 40 kg meters per second.
On hitting the ground, it transfers this much momentum to the ground. Momentum by hitting the ground is velocity by hitting the ground is root 2 GH. Velocity by hitting the ground is root 2 GH. Okay, Varsha, are you there, Varsha?
Yes, sir.
A object of mass 100 kg, see here. An object of mass 100 kg is accelerated from 5 meter per second to 8 meter per second in 6 seconds. Question: calculate the initial momentum, calculate the final momentum, and also calculate the force. Yeah, and initial momentum.
P1 is equal to M into
100 into initial velocity is 500
500
kg meter per second.
second.
Final momentum.
M into V.
Hmm.
100 into 8.
How much?
800 kg per meter.
Kg meter per second.
Kg
Okay. Now, what is force? Rate of change of momentum.
velocity.
Rate of change of momentum. How much we got? 800 minus 500 by 6.
By 6.
300 by 6. That is 50 Newton. How much is that? 50 Newton. Rate of change of momentum. What is this? Rate of change of momentum. Tell me one more summation.
Yes.
A hammer of mass 500 grams. A hammer is there. Its mass is 500 grams. Is moving at 50 meters per second. Strikes the wall. 50 meters per second strikes a nail. A nail stops the hammer. So a nail or a hammer hitting the nail. Hammer is in touch with nail only for 0.01 second. What force does hammer gives to the nail? What force does hammer gives to the nail? F is equal to ma.
M
A means
V minus U by 2.
chalo.
This is equal to 500 into
By 1000. Convert grams into kilograms.
by
Final velocity is 50. Initial velocity is 0. Time is how
Zero.
much?
0.0.
0.01. So this is 1 by 2. This is 50 by 0.01. After 0.2 numbers are there. Put 2 zeros. What you will get? 2500 newtons. Hammer is giving the nail 2500 newtons of force. Hammer is giving a nail 2500 newtons of the force.
Force.
Okay. Next.
సరే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి అడుగుతున్నారు సార్
Why not? General questions, right?
అంటే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టండి మళ్ళీ
I will. Sure, definitely. Yeah. Next, please, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What would be the force required to stop? Stop its final velocity 0. Mass of 1000 kg to stop a car of mass 1000 kg and a loaded truck is there. This is car, this is truck. Truck of 10,000 kg in 2 seconds. If they are moving, both of their velocity is 5 meter per second and 5 meter per second. Okay, so both of them are moving. So how much? So if you same formula. One I will tell, one you will. Force is equal to
M into A. Force is equal to M into V minus U by T.
mass is how much?
Mass is equal to 1000 kg. 1000
Okay, final
into
loss 0 minus
0,
it is moving with 5.
5 by 2. 2 under 2, 500. 5 F
Why you are getting minus 2 to 500? Because it is a retarding
Retarded.
force. It is retarding force. No, that's right. It is retarding force.
Yes,
We are stopping. Okay. Now tell for truck. This is for car. Tell for truck.
F is equals to m into a. F is equals to m into v minus u by t.
Hmm.
F is equals to m 1000 into
10,000.
10,000 into v 5
0 minus 5 by.
0 minus 5 by 2
Okay.
to 5,000. F is equals to minus 2,000 25,000. Yes, sir.
So to stop a car, this much is needed. To stop a truck, this much force is needed. Okay. Tell me one more, sir.
Yes, sir.
Children, a stone of mass 1 kg. There is a stone, children. See here, all of you. There is a stone of mass 1 kg is there, children. Is thrown with a velocity of 20 meters per second. Is thrown with a velocity of across a frozen surface of lake and comes to rest. Comes to rest with final velocity 0, children. Comes to rest with final velocity 0 after traveling a distance of 15 meters. What is the force of friction? Whatever is the force is MA only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, M is there. M is there. You want A. Connecting U, V, A, S. What is the formula we have?
Square minus
V square minus
v square minus u square is equals to 2as.
V is there, U is there, S is there. You want A, you will get A here. Chalo, tell how?
0 square
Minus
0 square minus 20 square is equals to 2 into a into 50.
So minus
50
400 is
minus
equal
100 a, sir. 0 0 minus a is equals to minus 4 meter per second.
why minus? Because it is frictional force.
Fixed.
Frictional force, retarding force. Okay, frictional force is retarding. Now, what is the force of friction?
Minus
Tell 1 into
1 into minus 4.
So 4 Newton is the frictional force acting on the body.
Sir, minus sign will
Minus only, no. This is actually what retardation. This is retardation. We substitute acceleration and we got means the frictional force is 4 Newton. This minus indicates it is an opposing force. When it is going like this, it is acting opposite. 4 Newton,
Yes.
the frictional force is acting. 4 Newton frictional force is acting on the body. Okay. So how to do the sum? You have to be very, very careful. Vikram. Vikram is there. Rohan.
Sir, Saisha, I'm there, sir.
Sorry, Shaggy. Two cars each of mass 1000 kg are moving on a straight line. Two cars each of 1000 kg are moving in a straight line. Okay, are straight line, but in opposite direction, like this one and like this one, they are moving. The velocity of each car is 5 meters per second. This is 5 meters per second. This is also 5 meters per second. Before the collision, during which they stick together. Okay, before the collision, see here, they are moving with a 5 meters per second. During which they stick together. What will be the velocity of the combined cars after collision? I know you didn't understand. I'm saying slowly. See here. This car is moving like this. This car is moving like this. After collision, they got stick to each other. After sticking, what is the velocity of their movement? First of all, tell me just what is the formula you are going to use here?
M1 U1.
Conservation of movement.
Conservation of movement.
M1 U1.
M1 U1 plus M2 U2 is equals to M1 V1 plus M2 V2.
Okay, before moving, 1000 into 5.
1000 into 5
Yeah,
plus.
plus or minus? Minus, because they are
minus.
moving in opposite direction. If they are going in same direction, plus. Okay, 1000 into 5.
1000 into 5.
After hitting each other, they both got combined. They both got
Combined.
attached. Okay, this minus this is 0. Okay.
0.
So 1000 plus 1000 is 2000. 2000 goes down. So 0. After hitting each other, they both will come to stop. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yeah, because both are same velocity, same speed. That's why. No, sir, I want some other sum instead. No, you do here. Let me change. This is okay. Same question. Let me change. This is 1000 kg moving 5 per second. This is 2000 kg moving with 20 meter per second. Same question. Now you tell me how to do.
Yes, sir. M1 V1
Direct substitution. 1000 into 5.
1000 into
Plus or
5
minus, sir?
minus
Because both
there
are moving in opposite direction.
minus 2000 into 20 is equals to V into M1 plus M2 3000. 5000 is minus
40,000.
40,000 is equals to V into 3000.
Okay.
V is equal 3000 minus 3. Okay. 35,000 is equals to V into 3000. V is equals to
V is equal to minus 35 by
minus
3.
35 by 3.
Minus 35 by 3 means minus 10.6 meter per second. So
6 meters.
both are moving after they hit each other. They both move with minus 10 point means opposite direction, 10.6 meter per second. Okay, so 10 point meters per second. You will ask me, sir, in which direction? This direction or this direction? Common sense, children. You tell me which direction. Whichever body is heavier, that will push it. So both of them will go here. So in left direction, both of them will go with 10.6 meter per second. Because this is heavier body will have more inertia. Heavier body will have more inertia. And more inertia, it will give to it, and it starts moving towards that side. You should understand like that. Okay, so the next question. Yeah, so next question. Hansika is there? Hansika? So children, see here, the maximum velocity attained by the body is 40, children. In the first 2 seconds, it is getting this much. This is next 6 children. This is next 10 children. Question. First question, define momentum. Who will define momentum?
Rate of change of velocity.
Momentum is product of mass and velocity. Momentum is what, children? Product of mass and velocity. Definition of momentum is product of mass and velocity. What is the SI unit of momentum?
kg meters per second.
Meter per second. This is kg, this is meter per second, kg meter per second. Question is, from the velocity time graph shown in the figure for a body of mass 5 kg. The body here shows 5 kg mass body, children. 5 kg. Find the force of body from O to A and B to C. This is O, this is A, this is B, this is C. First, I want, children, I want force from O to A, children. Force from O to A. Force from O to A. Is it acceleration or retardation, children?
Acceleration.
Acceleration. What is the acceleration formula? Mass into
M into V minus U by T.
so mass is how much, children? 5 kg.
5 into
V is how much,
40
children?
minus 0 by 2.
40 minus 0 by 2. That is 5 into 40 by 2. That is how much, children?
100.
100 Newton. 100 Newton. Now this is retardation, children. This is retardation. This is retardation. Can anyone tell, children? BC from B to C. Can any other student tell from B to C? Can any student tell B to C what is the retardation force, children?
The retardation m into v minus u by t.
Okay.
5 into
final velocity is 0.
0.
Coming to 0. Coming to 0. 0 minus. In how many seconds it is happening? In how many seconds it is happening? 4 seconds. So 5 into minus 40 by 4. So minus 50 Newton. Because why we got minus, children? Because it is a retarding force. Because it is a retarding force. And what is the force acting from A to B? Anyone?
0.
0. Why 0? Force is 0. Because acceleration is 0.
Acceleration is 0.
If acceleration is 0, why acceleration is 0? Because it is moving with.
Body is moving with uniform velocity.
When body is moving with uniform velocity, its acceleration is 0. If acceleration is 0, force is also 0 from A to B. The force is 0, children. From A to B, the force is going to be 0. Next question. One second. Yeah, children, this is the question they are asking. A car of mass. Yeah. Tanmay, can you read this question?
Yes, sir.
A car of mass 1800 kg moving with a speed of 10 meter per second is brought to rest in 50 meters. In 50 meters. What is the force? What is the force? Now for force, we know F is equal to, we want F into, F is equal to M. MA. So F is equal to, mass is how much?
1800.
Now, if you want acceleration, you have UVSA. What is the equation joining UVSA? V square minus U square is equal to A. Yes. So 0 square minus?
U square minus 10 square equals to 2 into A into 50.
So this is
Minus 100 equals to 100 A. A equals to minus 1 meters.
So what is the force, children, here? Force acting is 1800 into minus 1, that is minus 1800 Newton. Why minus 1800? Because it is retarding force. We are stopping it, children. Actually 1800 Newton only. Why we got minus answer means because we are stopping it. When we are trying to stop it, it is a negative force. Children. When we are trying to stop it, it is a negative force. Negative force, that's why we got negative answer, children. No need to panic for that. Children. Next question. Yes, children, anyone can answer this question. An object of mass 50 kg. Okay, an object of mass 50 kg. Okay, is accelerated uniform from the velocity of 4 meter per second to 8 meter per second in 8 seconds. In 8 seconds. Question is, what is the force? What is the force? Yes, who will tell? Simple function.
F is equal to M into V minus U by T.
M into V minus U by T.
50 into 8 minus 4 by 8.
8 minus 4 by 8.
50 into 4 by 8. 25, sir.
So 1 by 2
25
children. So
Newton.
25 Newton is the force acting on the body. 25 Newton is the force acting on the body. Next question. See here. Children, next question. Can anyone say why friction does not roll a ball backward if no force is pushing or pulling it? Yes, children, can anyone see this answer?
Sir, because when there is an action only, there will be a reaction, sir.
Yeah, so children, normally we know friction is the opposite force. If ball is going here, then friction will be acting in opposite direction. We all know that friction is an opposite force. My question is why friction does not roll a ball backward? Why friction does not roll a ball backward if no force is pushing or pulling? Children, because friction comes into action only in the presence of applied force. When you apply force only, then this comes into action. Then you will get doubt. Does it mean that no friction is acting when it is at rest? Yes, it is acting, static friction, but it will come into force only when force is acting on the body. The friction comes into action only when there is force acting on the body. It don't have any capacity to move it back, children. Only if it comes into action, then it will start showing its negative action. That's all. Next question. You are hurt when you kick a stone. Why, children? When you kick the stone, you will get hurt. Why? Why, children? According to Newton's third law, for every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. With how much force you kick, with the same force, you will get hurt, children. For every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. If you hit with 10 Newton, you will also get hurt of 10 Newton, children. According to Newton's third law, for every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. You have to say. A moving car engine is turned off. Children, car is there. Okay. Car engine is turned off. A moving car engine is turned off, and slowly it comes to rest. It slowly comes to rest. Okay. Is the force acting is balanced or unbalanced force? Name the force. Is the force acting on this car is balanced force or unbalanced force? What is the force? Name the force. Why did a car come to stop, children? Who is stopping it? Who is stopping it? Two forces are stopping it, children. One is Force of
Frictional.
friction is stopping. Another one is air resistance, air force is stopping, children. So is it balanced or unbalanced? It is unbalanced force, children. It is an unbalanced force. That's why it is stopping, children. Means who is unbalanced force? Means frictional force is unbalanced force, and therefore it is stopping. Frictional force. What is unbalanced force which don't have balance? Normally, children, see, if car is moving, frictional force will be acting. That is balanced force. When car is stopped, engine is stopped. Only frictional force is acting. No force is acting from inside the car. That is called unbalanced force. Unbalanced force. Why does the back seater move forward when fast moving bike is stopped? Why do we fall? Why do we fall, children? Why
Due
do
to
we fall?
inertia of rest.
Pardon? Due to inertia?
Inertia of rest.
Inertia of motion. Inertia of motion. When a
Inertia of
bike or bus suddenly stops, we all fall forward, children. Why? Because of inertia of motion. And we all fall back when the bike or bus is moving. Why? Because of inertia of rest. Children, because of inertia of rest, we fall back, and because of inertia of motion, we fall front. This is inertia of motion and inertia of rest. You should know, children, which inertia is correct. You should say, children. Next, how does the safety seat belt in the car help when a moving car is applies brake suddenly? Children, what happens? When a moving car is stopped suddenly, what happens? Due to inertia of motion, there is every chance that your head will go and bump to the steering. There is every chance your head will go, your entire head and body go and bump to the steering. To avoid that, wearing seat belt is very safety mechanism because of inertia of motion. When a car is coming suddenly to stop, every chance is there. We go and hit the steering hard. When we hit our head hard to the steering, a lot of injury will occur. To avoid that, we have to wear the seat belt. A ball is thrown vertically upwards. What is momentum at the highest point? What is the momentum at the highest point?
0.
At the highest point, final velocity is 0. So momentum also 0. At highest point, final velocity is 0. So momentum is also 0. Next one, second question. Why are athletes in a high jump? Children, you might be seeing okay, high jump or long jump. Why in athletes in high jump? Why in athletes in high jump made to fall either on a cushion or sand bed? You won't go and fall directly on the ground. They are made to fall on the cushion or sponge bed, children. Why they are made to fall? Why they are made in high jump? They go and fall on the cushion. Why, children? Because to increase the time of athletes fall. If cushion is there, they will slowly go and fall. It increases the time of athletes fall to stop. It increases the stopping time, children. Okay, after making the jump, this decreases the rate of change of momentum and hence force. Okay, see, children, we know F is equal to NV minus NU by T. So, children, if you increase the time of fall, force will be increasing. So, you will get less injury. Okay, even children, when you are catching a ball, we'll catch like these, we'll catch. When you are catching the ball, we'll catch like these. After catching when the high ball is coming in the cricket ground, children, they will catch and they will move and hands backward. Why, children? They are increasing the time of fall. If you increase the time of fall, force of injury will become less because they both are inversely proportional. They both are inversely proportional. Try to understand. State the meaning of recoil velocity of gun. Why does gun recoil, children, when you fire a bullet? Why does a gun recoil when you fire a bullet? Because of Newton's third law. Because of Newton's third law, for every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. Children, if a man is jumping out of the boat to the bank of a river, children, if a man is jumping out of a boat to the bank of a river, if man is jumping, okay, the boat moves backward because of what, children? Because of same, children, Newton's third law. The
Newton's
push
third law.
of the man on the boat is action. When you see, children, he want to jump here, simply as it is standing, he can't jump up. No, some little bit movement of force he should do when they are jump, because using that force, this boat will move back. For every action, when he is jumping, he is exerting an action. Reaction is boat is going backward. For every action, there is equal and opposite reaction, children, because of which boat starts moving back, children. Okay, these are the some of the questions, children. Some more questions we'll do in the next class, children. Morning no class, children. Tomorrow morning no class.